Today 3rd October, Galacoin daily combo. Today Galacoin card. At first choose Gala equipment and I will select Gala games and click choose card. Now I will go to Gala Play NFT and choose Town Store and choose card. I will select Gala Future. I will search educational resource. I will select educational resource and choose card. 3 card complete and check cards. Success.